If you're a beginner or a senior looking for a gentle, easy Tai Chi session to follow along at home, then this is the perfect one to start with. I've got 6 simple to follow movements of Tai Chi and Qigong that are going to work our major muscles, going to help improve your mobility, get you up and get your body moving, boost your metabolism and improve your mood. So we're going to get started with a short warm-up and then get into the session. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get going.
Always listen to your own body throughout the session, keeping the movements well within your comfort zone. We're starting with our feet hip width apart and just turning the head gently from one side to the other. Bringing it back to center and tucking chin to our chest, and then keeping the head under control. We're looking to the ceiling and we're just trying to release any stiffness we can feel in the upper body with our shoulder rolls, taking the shoulders up and back in a nice circular motion. And then we're going to change direction, so bringing them backwards and up. Again, as I say, just listening to your own body and keeping all the movements nice and relaxed. Bending slightly forwards, giving ourselves a hug, and then opening the chest, bringing the hands out wide. Feel the body loosen and warm up as we do this exercise. Bending our knees, and we're knocking on the door of life by gently turning at the waist, swinging the arms freely, and again feeling the body warm up and loosen any stiffness, any stress and tension that you might be feeling. It's probably one of my favourite warm-up exercises because it really makes you feel like you're getting your body moving. Clasping the hands at the front, we're going to stretch high to the ceiling, holding up the heavens. A little further stretch, but keep it gentle, and then relax. We want to take a big deep breath in as we reach high with these arms, and then a slow release of that breath as we bring the hands down. Resting our hands on our hips, let's do some hip circles, drawing a circle with our hips, loosening those hip joints, and then we'll change direction, so about 4 to 5 circles in each direction, just trying to loosen those hip joints. Perfect, so we are ready for our main section of our Tai Chi session. We're starting with our opening stance, and this is just a floating up of the arms to shoulder height, bringing them down to the tabletop. We're straightening the legs and then bending, sinking the body weight into the floor through the legs, feeling that grounding sensation. Breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out as they come down. Bringing the feet together, we're going to repeat that. So breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out as they come down. We're going to step out to the side and sink into a deeper horse stance. Bring that foot back to the middle and then repeat on the other side. Trying to create a rhythmic, slow and controlled movement here, and connecting that breath, connecting the mind and the body. Keeping our feet in a wide stance, we're going to move on to our movement number 2, calming waters. This is a slow, intentional transfer of body weight from one foot to the other, and we are skimming our hands across the surface of the water, just feeling a lovely flowing fluid movement. Feet together for our third movement, which is white crane spreads its wings. So we are extending our arms out to the sides, feeling a lovely expansion across the chest. Breathing in as we rise, breathing out as we lower. If you want a progression of this movement, we can add a heel raise, so rising onto the balls of the feet, a little additional balance challenge for you. Repeating that again, so 4 without a heel raise and then 4 with the heel raise rising onto the balls of our feet. And stepping out wide for our next movement, single whip. We're making a hook, transferring the weight from one side bow stance to the other side and making that strike with our hands. So lots of focus on that striking hand, keeping that hook in place and keeping the arm held as we transfer the weight very intentionally from one side to the other. And an optional progression here is to step out to bow stance as we strike, so a full transfer of weight to that back foot and then step out to our bow stance. We're also turning the waist from that backhand towards the front as we strike. Keeping our feet in that wide stance, let's repeat all that on the other side. Adding the full transfer of weight and stepping out to our bow stance. For our next movement, we are stepping out onto one foot for our golden rooster empty stance. So stepping onto one foot and placing the other foot forwards empty of weight. We're bringing the same arm as leg forwards in that strike for golden rooster. This time we're going to stay here and tap in and out, so holding that single leg balance for a little bit longer. Do think about your posture. We want to be lifting up through the crown. We want to ground the weight onto that supporting back leg, and we want to pull belly button through to spine to engage our core. And an optional progression here is to add a single leg lift instead of tapping in and out. Stepping out into a wide stance now and making our hands into fists, bringing them to the hips. We've got a slow punch forwards. We punch out, we make a stop sign, point the fingers in, circle them around, drawing energy into that fist and draw it back to the hip. Lots of focus on the hand as it does its slow punch, and really feel the energy and power in this movement, sinking into our horse stance as we do the slow punch. And for the last few repetitions, we've got an optional extra to sit in our horse stance. So more challenging for your leg strength, but obviously that's also going to help you build leg strength. So sitting in our horse stance, remember we are tucking our tailbone under or down towards the floor, not sticking the bottom out, and maintaining a good strong thigh position. So they were our 6 moves. Let's finish with our gathering the chi. Breathing in as we bring the hands high, breathing out as the hands come down. A lovely gentle stretch through the body. Really feel the lungs and chest expand to get a good breath in, and then try to release that breath slowly as the hands come down, feeling everything relax now at the end of the session. And stepping feet together, bringing hands to our heart to bring the session to a close.
Thanks for joining me today for this Tai Chi for seniors and beginners, anybody new to Tai Chi. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do remember to subscribe to the Freshfield Fitness Tai Chi Active YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the free weekly sessions that I post here on YouTube. See you soon. Bye.